Hi guys! I haven't built for a while, which is also why I'm so happy with this partnership with Asus. I have that small tech nerd in me. I will change the whole look in the gaming room that will suit perfectly this PC. We will start with the motherboard, put everything that we have to in the beginning to the motherboard. Then we will go into preparing the case, put the cooler, plug the motherboard in, and then we do the plugging and then the GPU. But let's start and hope for the best. So obviously we're starting with the motherboard. The foundation of our build, the Asus ROG Maximus C790 Hero motherboard, is a masterpiece of connectivity and performance. It supports the latest hardware with ease, including high-speed RAM and Gen 5 SSDs, ensuring lightning-fast data transfers. With Thunderbolt and many high-speed USB ports, it's designed for streamers and gamers who require extensive peripheral. Miten se sanotaan? Peripheral. Peripheral connectivity. Last but not least, if overclocking is your thing, this motherboard allows you to push your CPU to its limits. This is the look. This is the thing. You know how important motherboard is for me. I need a lot of plugins in the back. I have 8 USB inputs. I have 2 game capture cards. So cool. This is how the motherboard is looking. So freaking cool. Oh, we got the disc in here. CPU Intel i9-14900K and hybrid architecture. At the heart of the system is the Intel i9-14900K. The CPU combines performance cores and efficiency cores to deliver a seamless gaming and multitasking experience. The P cores push the limits of gaming and content creation, while the E cores manage background tasks, ensuring optimal efficiency. This architecture approach allows for uninterrupted gaming and streaming, providing a smooth, lag-free experience even under heavy loads. It's here, and it's this like silver core. How do you say this? Silver chrome, and then you open it like this, and it's inside there. What an unboxing experience! This is my 6th PC. And until now, all of my PCs have worked the first time I put them on. So let's pray this will be the 6th PC that is working. CPU is in. These are the RAMs. They're so pretty. This is my SSD. And it was in a box looking like this. All of these components are, you can buy them from gyms. Okay, SSD is we're putting it to 2 and 4. We're talking about the RAMs now. You don't understand how hard it has been for me to not spoil this. So first I loosen the 2. 2nd and 4th is opened. There we go. Yes! RAMs are plugged in, ready to continue. Ooh. We can put the motherboard away. Okay, are you ready to see the case? The most beautiful case ever. Amazing, black, minimalistic case. It reads ProArt. The air goes through everywhere. Can you see that? And it says ProArt in here. It's sick! I love it. I love the ProArt. It's amazing. We're gonna plug the fans in the radiator put the motherboard in, and then the cooler, plug it on the CPU. There you have the ProArt design fan there. There's two massive fans. This is how the cooler looks. The box in whole looks like this. Integral to maintaining our CPU cool under heavy workloads is the Asus ProArt LC420 AEO cooler. Is it AEO? Also the same design ProArt as the case. This 420mm all-in-one build liquid cooling system is not just about keeping temperature low, it's about ensuring that our high-performance CPU can sustain peak performance without running too hot. The larger radiator size allows for more surface area to dissipate heat, which combined with the efficient fans ensures optimal cooling even during intense gaming or heavy content creation tasks. It's a silent guardian that ensures longevity, I don't know how to pronounce that, and reliability of the CPU, keeping noise levels down while maximizing performance. Inside of it, we had these and the cooler that I showed you. Install Intel backplate. And now we have to be careful that we're using the correct screws, because if we use the wrong ones, it can break. So this is 1700. There we go. Then we are done with the screws. The mounting is in between. You can't see it right now. And now I need the screws. Done! Okay, time for motherboard. So 8 per motherboard. Okay, motherboard is in. Then cooler to CPU. This is important part. When I take the plastic off and then it's done. Whew. It just goes like this, and these are the screws. If I remember the group. Power supply has their own screws. Okay, done. Yeah, so now I will plug this in. Okay, done. Do we want the cables to go from above back inside? Let's see, guys. It's the time of truth. Are we ready, guys? I will zoom in for this. It is 2 a.m. soon. So I put it to 1. And then I click the power button. Let's just say the time. Okay, are we ready? 3, 2, 1. Up, please. Please keep running. Please keep running. Yeah, because sometimes it works and it doesn't. Bro, it looks so cool. Ah, it's working. Ah. Okay, so I want to show you a bit what I'm doing. So, let's take a look at the cables. We have these mini zippies. I have big ones as well. But let's do this. Tara, when you visit Finland, you're more than welcome to do this again. What do you think, guys? I think it's pretty clean. I think we're done on this side. That's how easy it goes. This is how it looks in front. New baby is ready indeed, yeah. Let's do one more startup. I didn't even turn it on and the hero went on. Thank you guys for being with me for this long. I'm OCD'd by this thing here. It was an explanation how to take the cover off. It was a sticker like this. Me and my perfect PC at 4 a.m. My baby boo, my baby boo. Thank you for being here. Much love and thank you.